Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off file and printer sharing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process, and this is very important to share files and your printer connections. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, select advanced sharing settings. Now we have two networks here. One is the public network and one is the private network. File and printer sharing is not activated for either of them. Now, if you're on a public network, which we are on by default, and that is usually the network which is being used, then you can turn this on. And if you are using a private network, then you can turn this one on. Okay, but be careful. If you're using a public network, then others will be able to access your PC for file and printer sharing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.